Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
The FDA approval process consists of 5 key phases. 1. Discovery and development. Researchers identify a promising compound and explore its effects. 2. Preclinical research. Tests on animals to assess safety and efficacy. 3. Clinical research. Human trials in 3 phases to test safety, dosage, and efficacy. 4. FDA review. Submission of a new drug application, NDA, for official approval. 5. FDA post-market safety monitoring. Ongoing checks after the drug is marketed to ensure it remains safe and effective.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.